Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, in this video, we are going to be learn about some basic and little bit intermediate part of Scratch. Okay, so basically, the very first question that you will get why we are using the Scratch. So, Scratch is used to create some kind of animation, some kind of games. Okay, so today we are going to learn about, suppose this is just a basic project. If you want to create this project, so how you can do it. So basically once I will run the project, if you will click any one of the ball will start moving, even you will get the sound as well. Okay, simple, you need to click on the ball will start moving. Okay, so this is the basic thing that we are going to learn today. Today we will see how to add your sprite, how to add the backdrop, what is backdrop, how to start the code, each and everything we are going to see today. Okay, it's very simple how to open the Scratch. Let me show you. You need to just open the Google or any other web browser you can use. Over here, we need to just search for Scratch, Scratch. Even the website link I will give you in the description box. You can check from there also. This is the first link itself, that is how to create your Scratch project. After this, once you will open it, you need to first sign in. Okay, and if you have your user ID and password, then you need to sign in, otherwise you need to first join the Scratch. So I will provide you the previous link how to join the Scratch, how to log in, how to create your own user ID and password. You can check from that video. So basically how to create a new project here, you need to simple click on this create button, so you are able to create a new project. So as soon as you will click on create button, it will create a new project for you. Okay, so whenever we want to create any animation or any game, the very first thing in our project, we will require certain characters, we will require certain backgrounds. For example, you can take an example of Coco Melon, because Coco Melon know every child. You can take an example of Doraemon. So Doraemon is one character, and surrounding to the Doraemon like a background. Okay, that is nothing but your background. So how we will add the character and background? So in the Scratch, that is called as sprite. Sprite is something like character, and background is something like your backdrop. So in Scratch we have a two part, one is sprite and the second one is backdrop. Sprite is nothing but your character, backdrop is nothing but your background. Suppose I don't like the cat, so how you can delete it? If you don't want cat in your project, simple, you need to press on delete button and just delete it. The very first thing, we want a very beautiful background for our animation or game. Very simple, you need to just press on this backdrop. Over here you will get lots of backdrops, so you can select any one of it. Suppose I wanted to select, it's your choice which backdrop you wanted to select. Okay, so suppose I wanted to select this blue sky. So once you will click on blue sky, automatically that you will get here. Okay, so this is the first part that we added. Now we are going to see the second part, how to add the characters. So in our project, we will require certain character. If you don't like balloon, you can add any other thing. As you see, we have all these sprites. Suppose I wanted to first add the balloon. So if you will click, you will get, you can move anywhere you if you want. The second sprite that we want is, for example, ball. So we added the balloon, we added the ball. It's your choice which character you wanted to add. Okay. Suppose now I wanted to add this car also. So we added the balloon, ball, and car. Now my next sprite is I wanted to add this butterfly. So you will get the butterfly. We can add. So it's your choice how many characters you want for your project. Okay. Then the next one, for example, I wanted to add this fairy. So we want only this character for the project. If you want, you can increase the character, you can change the character. It's your choice. Okay. So basically, how to write the script, how to add the code, because whatever we did now, it's your design part. Like we added the characters, we added the backgrounds. Okay. Suppose I want what I want for the balloon. When I will click on the balloon, balloon will move here and there. Okay, so as you can see over here, you have motion, you have looks, you have sound, events, control. So every color, every circle have a different meaning. If I will click on motion, motion is related to movement. If I wanted to move anything, if you wanted to turn anything, like you want to take a turn of any character, you want to go any position, that we can add from the motion. Okay. For example, we want when I will click on the balloon, so that is nothing but the events. Event is something like action. If we will provide certain action, then only the project will work. So we need to go to the event. We will add this. When this sprite is click, okay, what we want to first go to this position. So it means if I will take my ball here, but if I will run, if I will click on the ball, ball will move here. See, if I will take the ball and if I will click on the ball, ball will go to this certain position only because this is my position. How you will check this position? You need to check from here. This is your x-axis value. This is your y-axis value. Okay. So when this sprite is clicked, we want to go here. Now, suppose I wanted to add one sound. So you need to go to the sound. You can start the sound. Okay. Then first, I want to hide the ball. So where you will get the hide, that you will get in the looks. You need to hide it. Okay. Now see, when you will click on the ball, ball will hide. You are not getting the ball. But what we want after some second, like after waiting of 1 or 2 seconds, we know we want to show it. So it's very simple. You need to go to the control. You have to wait for some second. Okay. So, for example, I wanted to wait for 1 second and then we want to show the ball. So, the show part is here. Now, see, when you will run, if you will click on it, okay. So, when you will click on this sprite, see, you are getting the ball. If I will click on this ball, it will hide and after 1 second, you will get it. Okay. Now, what we want after getting the ball, we need to move the ball continuously. How you will do that? You need to simple go to the control. You have to go to the forever. Forever means if you want anything again and again. So just go to the forever, click on motion and randomly it will glide. Okay, now see if I will click on the ball, you are getting the sound and ball is moving randomly. See, it's not a fixed position. Randomly, you are getting the position. So this is we did for the ball. Same thing you need to do for this ball, fairy, butterfly, and this car. It's very simple. Just click on ball now because we want to do the same code for ball. You have to go to the events. You need to provide when this sprite is clicked. Basically, we have to hide it. Okay. After waiting some second, we will show the ball. So the show part you will get in the looks. Now in the forever, because I want to move the ball continuously, so you need to add the forever. Forever we want to glide to the random position. Now see, if I will click on the ball, you are not able to see the ball. Now ball will also move. If you want, you can add the sound as well. So we will start the sound basketball. Okay. Same thing you can add for the car. So no need to do the code again and again. It's very simple. You have to take it from the here and you need to drop in which sprite you want. Now if you will see the car, in the car you will get this sprite. Suppose you want to again paste this code in the butterfly, so drag and drop. If you will check the butterfly, you will get it. Same code we can drag and drop in the fairy also. Oh, it's not cam. So you have to just drag and drop. Okay. Now see, if I will click on butterfly, you will get it and see butterfly is moving. Same we can do for car as well and fairy as well. See, every sprite is moving now. So it's very simple. Okay. What we added, when you will click on when you will click on that particular sprite, it means we added the events. You have to initially hide it. You need to start the sound. You have to wait for some second, and then you need to show that in the forever it will glide to the random position. Let me stop it. If I will run, you have to click here, 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 and here. So everyone is moving now. So this is all about our mini project. If you want, you can check the previous videos also, where you will get how to sign in, like all the basic thing. What is this motion? Because I created a separate video for all these separate things, like what is motion, what is look, sound, event, control, for all the blocks. You can check the playlist. Okay. So please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and paste again, press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So whatever project you will create, you can just copy the link, paste that link in the like your comment section. I will check it and I will give you the reply. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.